Hi, ako nga pala si Mark Laudines, also known as Loud, isang visual artist from Antipolo City. Sa artwork ko, may feel nyo na medyo energetic siya. Ang gusto kong ma-feel ng tao, hope, magkaroon ng hope sa bawat kwento nila, yung gusto nila. Kung ano yung gusto nilang mangyari, siguro ipaglaban nila. Yun, magkaroon sila ng hope para doon.
Hello, I'm Andino. My real name is Adrian Santos. I'm a graphic designer and illustrator based in Bataan. My works are acrylic, mainly acrylic on canvas. And my inspirations are 90s cartoons, especially my works are influenced with Cartoon Network and the likes, mga anime. Yung goal kasi ng pieces ko is para makakonect sa mga tao in a fun and a comfort way. Yung hindi sila na-intimidate kagad. And kaya yung style ko is on na goofy, cartoonish style. Hi everyone, we are inviting you to drop by to our two-man show here at the Art District.
With Art Toys PH, ang title ng show, Golden Leisure, Kita-kits tayo.